Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we will talk about the assembly and connecting different components together. Now, after purchasing the components that we mentioned in the previous lesson, you can simply connect them together depending on the schematic that I will show you in this lesson. To show you this schematic, we need first to download a software called Fritzing. It's a software used to connect different elements together without purchasing them. As you can see, this is Arduino with a LED, this is the schematic, and this is the PCB. We have a course on how to use it to create different circuits and how to use it to create PCBs in no time. Even if you don't have any previous knowledge, you can check it out using our profile by searching Education and Engineering Team. If you faced any problem finding it, please drop us a message and we'll be more than happy to help you find it and learn it with a maximum discount. Now click on no donation, then click on the download. Choose your operating system. As you can see, it's available for Mac, Linux, and Windows. It's a free software. We need the Windows 64-bit version. As you can see, this is the download link. So I'll start the download. It's a file, 180 megabyte file, so it will take about 2 minutes to download. Now again, if we went back to this page, we can see that this software is used to create circuits with different elements. As you can see, this is a LED and this is the Arduino Uno. I will take you in a quick tutorial after the software is downloaded on how to use it, but it's a very promising software for creating your schematics and creating a PCB design without any complexity. Okay, I'll pause the video and get back once the download is finished. Again, this software is used to create schematics and to create a PCB. This is a PCB for Arduino, and this is the LED that was connected here in this 3D view. So it will make your life way much easier. If you are a university student and you want these images for your presentation, you can simply save these designs as PNG or JPG or as an image. It supports saving your software or your schematics as images. As you can see here, we have a share button. I'll pause the video, then get back to you once the download is finished. Okay, now once the download is finished, as you can see here, click open. Then you can simply double click the folder, go here and run fritzing.exe. It's extracting all the files. Let me cancel this and extract it to, let's say, the documents, a new folder called Fritzing. Okay, and we can open it using that folder. As you can see, this is the folder where we have all the files for the Fritzing software. It will take a few minutes. It's extracting all of these files since it's a .zip file. Okay, now let's close this. Double click on the fritzing.exe and it will load the items in no time, as you can see. Okay, Now it's loading the core parts, and as you can see here, the software is loaded. This is the user interface. Here is a welcome page, the breadboard, as you can see, schematic, PCB, and code. Let's create a new file. This is our new file. Now we need to add the items that we will use in this course. You can search for the items using this search button, or you can click on these icons